What a great gift from Sun God! Prasad is prepared by a large community solar cooker using concentrated solar heat. Around 42,000 meals being served at Sai Prasadalaya to devotees every day. In earlier days, the prasad was prepared using LPG gas on a large scale. The management of Sai Sansthan Shirdi took conscious decision to use mass solar cooking system being promoted by Government of India. Way back in the year 2001, mass solar cooking system was installed for 7,000 meals per day with major financial support from Government of India. Encouraged with the positive results, a new system with higher capacity was installed in the year 2009 at new Prasadalaya building, which is replacing the use of LPG to a great extent. Today, the Shirdi Sai Sansthan management is happy with proud possession of one of the largest mass solar cooking systems in India, rather in the world. The mass solar cooking using parabolic dish concentrators basically concentrates solar heat at focal point of dish concentrator with mirrors in its base. The dish is available in market with aperture area of 10, 16 and 32 square meter depending on the requirement. Heat collected at the focal point is received by water, which immediately converts into steam that flows through the header pipe for the central collection at collector vessel. The steam, after releasing its heat to the food material, condenses and the condensed water is pumped back for further steam generation. Let us now have a look at each of the components at Sai Sansthan Shirdi. This is a Scheffler solar concentrator with a size of 16 square meter. The typical shape of parabolic dish allows all the solar energy falling on it from all directions using mirror in its base to focus on the receiver. The focus is maintained by sun tracker. The receiver is a welded metal cavity with inlet and outlet ports coated with black selective surface which collects the heat from the sun and transfers it to water flowing through it. The water converted into steam in the receiver flows through the header tube made of steel with designed diameter and insulation. The steam collected in header tube is then directed to collector vessel through steam piping. Steam from collector vessel is used for cooking in kitchen through main steam pipe. Steam obtained from main steam pipe is directed to individual cooking vessel through branch steam pipes. Cooking vessels have a double-layered wall through which steam travels and releases its heat to the cooking materials. During release of heat from steam to cooking materials, it condenses into water, which is collected from drain pipes for reutilization through recirculation to produce the steam again. The recirculation helps in water conservation.
जॅकेटेड कुकर बसवण्यात आलेले आहे. एका जॅकेटेड कुकरमध्ये साधारण 50 किलो भात तयार होतो. असे आपल्याकडे 10 कुकर आहे. जॅकेटेड कुकरमध्ये स्टीम सोडली जाते. त्याच्यानंतर 10 मिनिटात भात तयार होतो. त्याच्यानंतर भाजीसाठी स्टीम कुकिंग कुकरमधलं गरम पाण्याचा वापर करण्यात येतो. असं एका दिवसाला जवळजवळ 2 टन राईस आणि डाळ तयार होते.
The steam collected is also used for automatic dishwasher machine, which is an additional advantage. Today, the Sai Sansthan management is happy with the benefits received from the mass solar cooking. Let us know their views.
साईबाबा संस्थांनी साईबाबा प्रसादालयाच्या इंधन खर्चात कपात व्हावी म्हणून सोलर स्टीम प्रकल्प जुलै 2000 मध्ये कार्यान्वित केलेला आहे. हा प्रकल्प या प्रकल्पातून दैनंदिन 263 किलो LPG गॅसची बचत झालेली आहे. आज मिती गॅसच्या प्रचलित दरानुसार सोलर कुकिंगमुळे दर महिन्याला 6.5 लाख रुपयाची इंधन बचत झालेली आहे.
मी सहाय्यक अभियंता अमृत जगताप, साईबाबा संस्थान ट्रस्ट शिर्डी. ह्या प्रकल्पासाठी 16 मीटर डायमीटरच्या 73 डिश बसवण्यात आलेल्या आहे. तर एका 16 मीटर इलेक्ट्रिकल डिशद्वारे 4730 किलो कॅलरी पर डे ऊर्जा निर्मिती होते. 73 डिशद्वारे 37 लाख किलो कॅलरी ऊर्जा जी निसर्गाने मोफत मानवाला दिलेली आहे, त्या ऊर्जेचा वापर श्री साईबाबा संस्थान श्री साई प्रसादालयातील स्टीम कुकिंगसाठी करत आहे. या प्रकल्पाद्वारे 3500 किलो स्टीम एका दिवसाला तयार करत असून त्याद्वारे सुमारे 17,000 लोकांची.
Let us now have technical facts and figures. The mass cooking system based on the solar concentrator has proven a great blessing from Sun God. Present, it is saving 263 kg of LPG per day out of total consumption of around 1700 kg per day. This translates into saving of around rupees 60 lakhs annually. Naturally, this is a highly profitable venture. Additional advantage is that it helps in pollution control and avoids emission of around 2000 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. Fortunately, today the technology is matured. There are around 16 manufacturers ready to supply systems with technical specifications as defined by Government of India. Further, the Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission provides the incentives also. With such a positive environment, profitability and government incentive, why to wait? Let us have the environmentally benign and financially viable solution today itself.